What's up everybody, this is Mari from Mari's Review Channel. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'll be covering the Bfull Wax Warmer Waxing Kit. Stay tuned. Right here is a Bfull Professional Wax Warmer. This uses a 120 watt. It is designed and made in the USA. Here is some more information. A see-through cover, high quality material, and a copper wiring cord. If you have any questions, you can go to www.bfull.com. So let's go ahead and make our way into the box so you can see everything that comes into this kit. First off, you will see the cover pads. This comes in with 10, I believe. This will help protect your wax warmer from getting wax on it. It is removable. Right here is your warranty card. First off, you'll see your purple wax beads. Second, you'll see your yellow wax beads. And right here is the instructions on how to apply the wax. And thirdly, this is your red wax beads. So you get 3 different wax beads for your kit. So I'm just going to go ahead and move the wax warmer to the side so I can show you what else comes in this kit. And right here are your applicator sticks. There's some more at the bottom. This is your user guide. This tells you how to use it, how to set it, how to clean your wax warmer. Okay, so now let's make our way to the wax warmer. Right at the top, you see the cover. It is see-through. There's 3 little holes for little ventilation. Very good quality. And then in here you will see 3 little heart-shaped containers. This is where you would put your wax. So you have 3 different colors, therefore you got 3 different little canisters. They are in the shape of a heart. So if you just want to take out a little bit of each, instead of using the whole beads, all you're going to do is just stick one of each color in one of these containers, and then you can go ahead and put it in the wax warmer. And then now you have the removable tray. This is for the waxing beads. You can also put the beads in here and it is easy to clean. If you are like me, you use hard wax, you will not use that removable tray. You will just take it out and then you will put it inside the wax warmer with the container that the hard wax comes in. Or else if you use the removable, it will not warm up the wax. And right here is your off, on. And then it has your Fahrenheit from 160 all the way up to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. This does use a standard 110 cord. It is very lightweight, very professional grade. As you can see, it is a 110. If you are interested in purchasing this Bfull Wax Warmer Starter Kit, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new product review. You can also check me out at marisreviewchannel.com. Thanks for watching.